Hi, everybody, and welcome to Reading with Mrs. Wendell. My name is Ann Wendell, and I'm a reading teacher at MLK Middle School. If you've been in any of my classes at any time, I really miss you. And if you haven't, welcome to Reading. Okay, I'm going to put on our slideshow now. And there it is. Okay, so this is SRA Corrective Reading, and we are in level B1, which is the blue book. Corrective reading is for grades 4, 5, middle school, high school, and adults. It's designed to correct any skill you may not have learned in your years of school. We're doing lesson 15 of level B1 today, but don't think that you have missed lessons 1 to 14. We're on lesson 15 because that's where we left off when we left school. So we're just starting from about the place where we left off. You can choose your level in corrective reading. If you look at this video and you know how to do everything and it's too easy, then go up to level B2. If you don't know how to do anything in this lesson, you're lost and it's way too confusing, then go down to level A. If you know how to do most things in this lesson, but not all of them, if you know some of these rules but not others, or you don't know the rules at all, but you do know the words in them, you just didn't know it was a rule, then you're in the right place. We're going to learn vowel rule number 4 today. So I just want to make sure that you know 1, 2, and 3 before we get started. So go ahead and get a piece of paper and write down rules 1 and 2. Pause the video while you do that. The next thing we're going to do is a pun. A pun is a joke that uses the multiple meanings of words to make it funny. Like the first person says, "Is your refrigerator running?" And the second person says, "Yeah." And then the first person says, "Well, you better go catch it." That's funny because running has different meanings. What's one meaning of running? What's another meaning of running? Right. One meaning of running is to move really fast with your legs, and the other meaning is for an engine to be working. So today's pun is, why is the teacher wearing sunglasses? The answer will come at the end of the video. We're going to go back to our slides now. And here we are. So vowel rule number 1 says, when a vowel is followed by a consonant, it is short. Some examples are at, pen, lit, crop, sun, mid-Atlantic, and administer. Rule number 2 says when a vowel is followed by nothing, it is long. So for example, be, so, fly, flew, hello, rely, antediluvian. Okay, and then we're going to review these 4 vowel sounds. What sound does a short A make? Yes, a as in apple. What sound does a short U make? Yes, as in up. What sound does a short I make? Yes, as in itch. What sound do two O's together make? Yes, ooh, as in ooze. Okay, great. So now we're going to look at exercise 1. These words use the vowel rules and the sound patterns that we've already learned. Look at the underlined sound in the first word. What sound does a short A make? Yes, as in apple. What's the first word? Yes, fast. In the next word, see the underlined sound is two O's? That says ooh as in ooze. So what's the word? Yes, two. In the next word, the underlined sound is or. What's the word? Yes, store. And the last word, what's the underlined sound? Yes, ch. What's the word? Yes, much. We're going to look at these words one by one, and then I'm going to ask you what the sound or the word is, and you're going to answer on the signal. Okay, so here we go from line number 2. First word, what's the sound? You answer when I tap. Yes, k. What's the word? Yes, packs. Next word, what's the sound? Yes, What's the word? Yes, must. Last word, what's the sound? Yes, ing. What's the word? Yes, things. Okay, this is going to be faster this time around. So now we're on the third line. First word, what sound? Yes, What word? Yes, gum. Next word, what sound? Yes, What word? Yes, bit. Next word, what sound? Yes, What word? Yes, still. Last line, first word, what sound? Yes, oh. What word? Yes, plan. Next word, what sound? Yes, or. What word? Yes, more. Next word, what sound? Yes, ch. What word? Yes, chomping. Okay, good job. Now we are going to review vowel rule number 3. Vowel rule number 3 says when a vowel is followed by final E, the E makes the vowel long. So our examples are hope, cake, tube, meme, and Valentine. The last syllable of Valentine, time. So pause the video and write rule number 3 on your list. Okay, got that? Long vowels say their names. So for example, what sound is a long A? Yes, A. What sound is long E? Yes, E. What sound is long I? Yes, I. All right, now our next exercise, exercise 2, all of these words are following that rule that says if we have a final E, what does it do to that consonant before it? Yes, it makes the vowel long or say its name. So our first word is these. What word? Yes, these. Next word, here. What word? Yes, here. Next word, what word? Yes, 8. Next word, what word? Yes, rate. Okay, next line. First word, what word? Yes, make. What word? Yes, gave. What word? Yes, like. All right, great job. This next section is where we're going to learn our new vowel rule number 4. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So if we have two vowels together, like the E and the A, making up a vowel team, the first one, the E, is going to be the one that does the talking. And the second letter, the A, is not going to say anything at all. When the E does the talking, it's going to say its name, E. And our examples are clean and live streaming. So we're going to look at these words down on the bottom here that follow this rule, two vowels going walking. First one does the talking. So the EA together make the sound E. What sound? Yes, E. What word? Yes, eats. Okay, good job. Next word. The EA makes what sound? Yes, E. What's the word? Yes, smear. Next word. What sound? Yes, E. What word? Yes, ears. And the last word. What sound? Yes, E. What word? Yes, here. Okay, that was great. Give yourself a pat on the back. Okay, now these words in exercise 4 either don't follow the rules or they follow rules that we haven't learned yet. So we're going to go through them and you're going to repeat them after me. Okay, first line, first word. Some. What word? Next word. Don't. What word? Next word. Lie. What word? Next word. Work. What word? Next word. Oats. What word? Second line. First word. Slow. What word? Next word. Slowly. What word? Next word. Show. What word? Next word. Happy. What word? Next word. Give. What word? Next word. One. What word? Next word. Began. What word? Next word. Happened. What word? Next word. Very. What word? Next word. Sandy. What word? Next word. Manner. What word? Next word. Down. What word? Next word. Better. What word? Next word. Planning. What word? Next word. How. What word? Next word. You. What word? Next word. There. What word? Next word. Ice. What word? Next word. Out. What word? Next word. Are. What word? Next word. Questions. What word? Okay, great job. Now we're going to look at exercise 5. We have already looked at all these words, so they should look familiar. So I'm just going to tap and then you're going to say the word, okay? Ready? First line, first word. What word? Yes, chomping. Next word. What word? Yes, bit. What word? Yes, rate. What word? Yes, more. What word? Yes, eats. Okay, second line. First word. What word? Yes, smear. Next word. What word? Yes, hoping. What word? Yes, bum. What word? Yes, plan. What word? Yes, to. What word? Yes, shape. What word? Yes, must. What word? Yes, store. What word? Yes, fast. What word? Yes, here. What word? Yes, much. What word? Yes, ride. What word? Yes, still. What word? Yes, packs. What word? Yes, late. What word? Yes, things. What word? Yes, gave. What word? Yes, later. What word? Yes, these. What word? Yes, plan. Okay, good. Now we're ready to read the story, The Rat That Had a Fast Rate. Rate means how much something is compared to something else. Your heart rate is how fast your heart beats, comparing it at different times. So when you're running, your heart rate is fast. When you're sitting still, your heart rate is slow. Movies are rated when they're compared to other movies. If a movie has a lot of violence, it might be rated R. If it doesn't have any, it might be rated G. What other kind of rates do you know of? I'm going to read the first section while you follow along. The rat that had a fast rate. Sandy had a rat that ate fast. She said, "That rat eats too much. I must make the rat slow down." Sandy went to the store and got 10 packs of gum. She said, "I will smear the gum on the oats." Then she gave the oats to the rat. "Here are some oats," she said. "You will have fun eating them." The rat began eating at a very fast rate, but then the rate began to go down. Okay, so our rat is eating oats. Have you ever eaten oats? Here are some pictures. The top one is what oats look like when they're in a full plant in the field. And then the bottom one is what the oats look like when they're just part of the plant that we eat. You've probably eaten oatmeal. I have. So here's a picture of oatmeal. That's the thing that we usually eat that's made out of oats. So we'll go back to our story. And I'm going to ask you some questions. What did Sandy smear on the oats? Yes, gum. Could the rat eat those oats at a fast rate? No. Why not? If you said that the oats were all stuck together, or you can't break gum up into little pieces, or anything like that, all of those are good answers. Okay, you're going to read this section on your own. You can read silently or you can read out loud. Then I'm going to ask questions about it. Go ahead and pause the video now and read. Are you done? Here are your questions, and you can go ahead and look back in the story if you need to. The rat chomped on the oats. What does that mean? Yes, ate the oats. The rat said she would do something if Sandy gave her oats that do not have gum on them. What did the rat say she would do? Yes, she said that she would eat slowly. Do you think the rat is going to eat slowly? We'll find out. Here's the last part. I'm going to read this while you follow along. She gave the rat oats that did not have gum on them. The rat did two things. She bit Sandy's hand. Then she ate the oats at a very fast rate. Sandy said, "You little rat, you told me a lie." The rat said, "Yes, but did you see how fast I did it?" Sandy said, "I will still get you to eat slowly. You will see. I have one more plan for you." Okay, so here are your questions. When Sandy gave the rat the oats, what were the two things the rat did? Yes, one, she bit Sandy's hand, and two, she ate the oats at a very fast rate. Did Sandy give up on trying to get the rat to slow down? No. How do we know that Sandy hasn't given up? What is our evidence that tells us that? Yes, in the end it says, "I have one more plan for you." Now for the next part, you're going to need a piece of paper and something to write with. So pause the video and get your paper now. Okay, ready? On your paper, number from 1 to 18, and you can pause the video and do that. When you're ready for numbers 1 through 10, I'm going to say a sound and you're going to write it on the lines. Number 1, what one letter makes the sound wh, as in wish? Number 2, what two letters make the sound wh, as in what, where, which? Number 3, what two letters make the sound ooh? Okay, now all the rest of these are just going to be one letter. Number 4, what one letter makes the sound as in up? Number 5, what letter makes the sound as in apple? Number 6, what letter makes the sound h? Number 7, what letter makes the sound mm? Number 8, what letter makes the sound f, as in fire? Number 9, what letter makes the sound ol? Number 10, what letter makes the sound b, b? Okay, for the next part, I'm going to say the word and you're going to write it. Part of the word is already there. For number 11, what letters do you have to add to make the word chomp? Number 12, add some letters to make the word best. Number 13, add letters to make the word ranch. Number 14, add letters to make the word these. Number 15, add letters to make the word plan. Now pause the video and do questions 16, 17, and 18 on your own. Okay, remember we wanted to know why the teacher wears sunglasses? It's because her students are so bright. Thanks for being here today. I really enjoyed it. Visit us at lesson 16 to find out what Sandy's next plan is to slow down that rat. I put up the answers to the questions so you can pause the video and check yourself. Bye-bye. See you next time.